Some of our clients and some of their volunteer attorneys have ongoing relationships. I mean, we'll find out from the volunteer attorney years later that they're still in touch with the client, that they get a Christmas card, or that they've been working on some legal issue that we didn't even know about because they've maintained this ongoing relationship with the client. I think that's powerful.
The challenges that veterans have working their way through the VA system are very well known to me because I'm a veteran myself and I've been through this system, and the system is enormously overloaded. Veterans who are filing claims, going to be the first 10 answers they get are going to be no.
The Connecticut Veterans Legal Center is really highly dependent on volunteers.
It's a great way to leverage our really small resources to create a big bang for veterans. We strive to do what we call Pro Bono Plus. We do a full intake of somebody. We really try to get to know them and understand what their issue are. And then we try to match them with someone who we think has the expertise, the geographical area, the time to actually really help them with that case.
You're not going in and expected to just figure it all out yourself. So they have a wonderful set of resources to support you as a pro bono lawyer.
So it's nice to see that there's a lot of people in the community who really care about these things.
What today is going to do for me personally is it will allow me to help a licensed attorney who is certified to work with veterans work on those cases. The vast majority of the attorneys in here are not veterans. So I see this as a tremendous act of service that they're paying to our country. It's just a huge thank you that I would want them to know that as a veteran and a disabled veteran.
My dad was a Marine, so I like to feel like I'm carrying on his legacy of support for our military. Being able to help the law work for people who don't necessarily have any other opportunity is a really powerful mission. So I can't imagine sort of a better organization to do pro bono work with.
We tend to think of pro bono and volunteering as something that benefits the veterans. We don't as often talk about the benefit to the volunteer, which is really huge. I mean, I went into this kind of work because I think people who get to give to other people as part of their daily existence are the luckiest people in the world. I mean, there's nothing better than that. It feels amazing. I think our volunteers really enjoy getting to have a piece of that. Anybody who wants to volunteer with us. Primarily we have attorneys volunteer, but we also have paralegals, law students, business students, undergrads, high school students can contact us via email or giving us a phone call. And so I have a lot of respect for people who take the time in their professional lives to give to somebody else. It's not a small thing to do, and we don't ask lightly. We ask because it makes a really material difference for our clients.